I want to share with you some of the enhancements to keyword search. Keywords now, you can apply multiple criteria to your search. So let me show you how I think one of the really neat ways that works. So let's just say I want to see all the combos that have hosta. Previously, you could do that search, and that's good. So this shows all the combos that have hosta included somewhere in their description, whether it's the plant name or whatnot. So it's going to look through all sorts of different fields and look for mentions of hosta. But let's say I'm a big fan of hostas and ferns, so I'm going to enter that. And so now it's looking not only for combinations that have hosta included somewhere on the page, but also fern. So that yields kind of an interesting result that you can't get at as conveniently as by using some of the filters over here. So it's displaying plant combinations that include both hostas and ferns.